Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to share any location with your friends using Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you want to share your current location in real time, tap the blue location that shows where you are. Then tap Share Your Location. Choose how long you want to share for, from 1 hour or 2 until you turn it off. Then select the contact or app like WhatsApp or Messages to send the invite link. If you want to share a specific place, instead of your live location, search for it or tap on it on the map. It could be a restaurant, a park, or any spot. Tap on the place's name at the bottom, then look for the share icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing right. Tapping Share will bring up all your messaging apps. Just pick one, choose a friend, and send it. They'll get a direct link to the location in Google Maps. You can also share a location from your computer by going to Google Maps in your browser, clicking on a place, and hitting the share button. And that's it. Whether you're meeting up or recommending a great spot, sharing a location only takes a few taps. If this makes planning meets easier for you, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.